Good afternoon, friends. I'm Dr. Ajay Shah, bringing you this another short, brief afternoon live. We surveyed our followers and our viewers and our friends, and the general recommendation was to keep the videos 3 to 5 minute long. So I'm going to try to keep videos to 3 to 5 minute long. Today's topic is sleep. Sleep is one of the most important pillar of healthy lifestyle. Uh, Many people in America take sleep as granted, take sleep as actually a waste of time, and many times say and feel that people who sleep regular hours are actually wasting their life away and not working hard. That's not true. Actually, sleep is, in my opinion, one of the most important thing we should accomplish every night. We all need about 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Some people can get away with 5 to 6 hours of sleep, but in general, everybody should be getting about 7 hours of sleep. 30% of Americans actually do not get 7 hours of sleep. 4% of Americans are actually on sleeping medication. And we know sleeping medication as not only can cause depression, many other mental illness, but it can also cause premature death also. So definitely sleeping medication is not the answer. Uh, so, what are some of the side effects of inadequate or poor sleep? Definitely poor learning, poor attention span, more chance of getting into car accidents, development of diabetes and pre-diabetes, even higher death rate, Alzheimer disease, even higher chance of heart attack and having a high blood pressure. So definitely inadequate sleep is responsible for causing many illness and actually dying prematurely. So how can we improve sleep? So listen to next 2 or 3 minutes. If you have a less than 7 hours sleep, if you follow the things I'm going to tell you over next 2 or 3 minutes, your sleep will definitely can get improved. So definitely maintain a fixed sleep hours. Um, uh, like if you go to sleep at 10 o'clock at night, go to sleep every night at 10 o'clock. If you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and try to maintain that at least 6 days a week, preferably 7 days a week. Expose yourself 30 minutes a day to sunlight, particularly in the morning. And if you don't have enough sunlight, then consider buying a 10,000 lux light, which actually gives you almost like a sunlight type feeling. And that has shown to improve the sleep also. Exercise 30 minutes every day, preferably before 7 o'clock in the evening. Definitely avoid any coffee or caffeine after 2 p.m. And if you're very sensitive, try considering stopping caffeine completely to see if the sleep improves. It's definitely a better way to go than going on a sleeping medicine or melatonin or Benadryl. So if you have a poor sleep, definitely consider stopping the coffee or caffeine products completely. No heavy meal after 7 p.m. No alcohol after 7 p.m. Alcohol may put you to sleep, but it's a very poor quality sleep. So definitely no alcohol. Consider taking a hot shower before you go to sleep. That has shown to improve the sleep initiation, like how quickly you start the sleep, and also the maintenance of the sleep. So definitely consider, taking a hot shower before sleep. Also, wear minimum clothes at night because lowering your core body temperature will improve the quality of your sleep. Also, avoid any blue light exposure as much as possible after 7 p.m. That means avoiding cell phones, avoiding iPads, avoiding computer screens, and also avoiding TV. If you absolutely cannot avoid those blue light emitting devices, consider buying orange glasses. Those are only about $10 or $15 on Amazon, and that will block most of the blue light and will improve your sleep. So definitely consider buying orange glasses. I already have it and I use it many times. Start dimming lights in your house after 7 or 8 p.m. and start to create an environment of dark light, so that way you will start automatically start feeling sleepy. If you cannot fall asleep after going to the bed in about half an hour, get up and read a nice book or meditate and go back to try to go to sleep. Definitely no TV in the bedroom and no TV watching after 7 or 8 or 9 p.m. Definitely no those late night Netflix runs up to midnight or 1 o'clock. That's definitely not healthy for you. Keep bedroom very dark and noise free. Many times we cannot keep the bedroom dark. Try to consider buying dark curtains try to buy eye coverings, and those are available on Amazon. Also consider buying earbuds to see if you can cut down on the noise in your bedroom. Also consider meditating 15 to 30 minutes before you go to sleep. That has shown to not only initiation of sleep improves, but also it improves the sleep quality. Definitely invest into comfortable mattress and pillow so your sleep will improve. Definitely don't take too much water before you fall asleep, so you don't have to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to urinate. So definitely avoid drinking too much water before going to the sleep. Also consider tracking your sleep, because unless you know how your sleep is, you will not obviously make efforts to improve it. So consider buying a Fitbit type device, which I wear it every night, and I check my sleep every morning. So consider buying a Fitbit type device, and that will track your sleep. That will tell you how much deep sleep you are getting, how much REM sleep you are getting, how much light sleep you are getting, and that will also give you a score, which is important to track also. And that will also give you your weekly average, monthly average, and your yearly average. How many minutes have you sleep? So again, definitely sleep 7 to 8 hours. Track your sleep. Follow some of the things I explained you and I showed you. And if you do all those things, I can assure you your sleep will improve. This video was a short video. I will be doing short videos now on at the lunchtime. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask in the comment section. Again, we are growing rapidly. We are about 83,000 followers. I sincerely request you to all of you to invite your friends and family to like our page, and that definitely will educate them, will teach them, will motivate each other, will be happier, will be healthier, and obviously our goal is to live long as much as possible. So definitely invite your friends and family to our page. Thank you.